So recently I came across a platform called N8N, which basically allows you to automate AI. Now, as an unemployed bum, I figured I'd give it a try. Now, originally the plan was I was gonna learn how to use this platform. Then I would come in here and act like I was some kind of super smart guru who trained with the AI monks of Mount Tibet. But I figured I'd take a different approach. Now, there's already a bunch of gurus on here who act like they're super smart and they're trying to sell you courses and stuff. So I figured instead of doing that, I'll basically like record the whole process of me learning how to use this thing. Because, I'm guessing you guys are tired of seeing all these gurus. And it might be a little bit refreshing to see someone actually learn how to do this instead of acting like he's super smart. Which, spoiler alert, I'm not. I'm kind of dumb. So, yeah. Now, I've never actually used N8N before. I've watched a few videos and I've seen a few workflows, and I have a general idea of how it works and what it does, but I've never actually used it before. Now, unfortunately, it seems like the cloud plan that they have, it's a paid service. And, as I said, I'm unemployed, I'm broke, so I can't afford that. So I'm going to have to download this on my computer, which kind of sucks. It's an old computer. It has like, I got it in like 2020. It has like a 4-core CPU, 12 gigabyte of RAM. So yeah, it kind of sucks. So I'm not sure if this computer can even run it, but I guess we'll see. Okay, so I had to take a break. So it turns out that installing anything is actually not as simple as clicking a single button, but instead you have to click a bunch of buttons. So I went to YouTube to watch a tutorial on how to install N8N, but then I got distracted by watching a video by Network Chuck, which gave me an idea. For my first project, I'm going to be installing or creating a Discord bot that sends a message in Discord. So yeah, there's that. Anyways, after finish watching that video, I watched a tutorial and I'm like, okay, I'm good now. I installed Docker, which first of all, it took forever to download because, my Wi-Fi, it says it's 100 megabytes per second, but honestly, somebody's lying. Like, this does not feel like 100 megabytes. It feels more like 10 megabytes. Anyways, after that finished downloaded, I then installed Docker, which also took forever because my PC is slow. And after that, I agreed to some terms and service which entitles Docker to my first grandson and my grandma, probably. I don't know. I mean, no one reads the terms of service, so who knows what's in there. After that, I end up have to restart my computer because for some reason you have to do that when you install Docker. Then after that, I got another error saying that Linux subsystem something is not installed. So I have to then install that, then restart Docker, which when I tried to open Docker again, it wasn't opening. I have no idea why. Spent like another 5 minutes troubleshooting that, which it turns out that Docker was open, but it was running in the background. But then the GUI wasn't opening for some reason. So I then had to restart my PC again, and then it started to work. Now, just when you think that everything is good now, I installed N8N. I clicked the link, it wasn't working. Spent like another 10 minutes trying to figure that out. Turns out that the problem with it is that I was clicking the right link, but in the wrong place. How does that make sense? I have no idea. But when I click the link in the terminal, it doesn't work. When I click the link outside of the terminal, somehow it works. So, yeah. Anyways, after going through that entire process, it's finally installed. Okay, let's get started. So, I believe I click on this. So the bot that I'm going to be building is very simple. It's basically just going to send a message in Discord, and that's it. So, I believe I click on this. I think I need like the chat, because I'm going to send like a message. Let's try this one. And yes, I have no idea what to do now. Okay, that's good. Now let's look for Discord. And get message. Is there one for send messages? And I'll fix that later. So yeah, I'm gonna send a message, and it's gonna send a message to a Discord channel. So first, do we have to set this up, or is it already set up? Let's see what's in here. Settings. Yes, turn this on. I guess, I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. Yeah, that looks good, I think. Now let's set this up. Um, Token, I have no idea what this is. Or yes, yes, I have a webhook. I think I need a webhook to make this work. No credential, I think, not sure. Send message. Can I get the message from, I need to get the message from here. How do I do that? I have no idea. Might have to go research this. I'm just clicking on random stuff until I find something. I think like in the video that I saw, they were doing like a drag and drop, but I don't know how to do the drag and drop in this. Wait, I think you have to like execute the previous node first. Yes, to send a message. Okay, let's see if this works. Is it working? Okay, that works. Now let's try this again. Okay, now it works. So I'm gonna this, send it over here. And where do I put the webhook? I have, there's a link for the webhook. I should put it somewhere, but let's try this. Okay. Let me get the link for the Discord. But so this is a Discord server that I made. Just some random crap. And integration. Where is it? Yes. Webhook. This is the bot that I made. Copy the webhook. Now let's paste that right here. That goes there. Sharing. No, don't save. Details. I don't know. What's that? Okay, I think that's good. Now let's try this. Execute step. And let's see if that works. And yeah, that works. Like, it actually works. Honestly, I thought this would be harder. Like, usually stuff don't work on the first time. Like, I do a lot of programming and stuff, and usually when you write program, it never works on the first try. So this is actually shocking, to be honest. I did not expect this to work this quickly and so easily. But yeah, I just built like my first automation sequence, but whatever you want to call it. Now I want to try something more complicated. So this other one where it's doing like an RSS feed. I have no idea what RSS feed is. I think it's something where you pull like data from a website or whatever. I have no idea what that is, but I'm going to give it a try. So I think another one, RSS feed, RSS read. Let's take a look and see what is here. WordPress. Yeah, I think I'm going to try RSS. I think I need a website. What website can I try? Let's try this random website and see if it does anything. And execute. Error. I have no idea what this error is. Let me ask ChatGPT. Okay, so based on this explanation, it seems like it pulls data from websites. I still have no idea what it does. I'm going to try YouTube and see if it works. No, let's just try youtube.com. See if that works. And this is still not working. I have no idea how this stuff works. Okay, so that need the channel ID. Where is it? Okay. So I need the channel ID. So where think and share channel. Paste the channel ID. Paste, and let's see if this works. Yes, that works. Okay, so yeah, I think these are just a list of the videos on the channel. Yeah, anyways, that works. So yeah, output 15 item, and let's fix this. So this is doing chat output, which it no longer has access to. So now we need to enter the new data. Where is it? Here is it. Oh yes, I remember. So this is the data that's there. This is the JSON rich data. Let's try the title. Let's do the link. Yes, and let's try author. See, and I think that's it. The more data, or yeah, I think that's it. Now let's try this. Wow. Wow, this actually works. That's crazy. That is crazy. I see why people love this stuff so much. Like I just built an entire Discord bot that can pull from YouTube and send message in Discord in like less than 5 minutes. This is actually kind of crazy. Yeah, this is, I still can't believe I just did this. Like, this is so easy. Like if I was to write this into a like a program, like if I try to like write this with code, like this would take like at least an hour, because with programming, like it never works on the first try. Like something always breaks. So the fact that I could do this in like 5 minutes and nothing breaks and everything just works is like, yeah, this is crazy. To be honest, that's it. I probably come up with some more idea and workflows later. But yeah, this is like my first time using this, and it's kind of crazy. I was able to do all of this on my first try in like 5 minutes. Actually kind of crazy.